As Storm Dara clears away, the outlook is more settled. No weather warnings in force this week. It's likely to be largely dry with mist and fog. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Laura.
What a weekend.
It was wild. And actually, you know, we had our red warning in force. That's the highest level we have. It's exceptionally rare, maybe one of those a year, and we issue that when we think there's going to be danger to life. But for the first time ever, we had that emergency text that was sent out to people.
Yes.
So 3 million people, the noise, that 10-second alarm noise sounded. And it was really great to see that actually working for the first time ever. When I was in Europe with my European weather colleagues lately, they started to implement those and it helped to save lives. So then people will think, oh my goodness, I won't leave the house. And then we saw all the scenes. You know, we had 96-mile-an-hour gusts of wind. That's the equivalent of a Category 1 trees on some of the train lines, so they'll be slowly clearing those as we head through the day. And a couple of hours ago, for the first time all weekend, the M48, so the Severn Bridge, is finally fully open. No weather warnings in force. So the good news is there's no weather warnings at the moment. A much calmer week of weather ahead. Here's the details. I think that's welcome news for many of us. Storm Dara finally clearing away. The outlook is more settled, it's calm. We have high pressure moving in, but these were some of the peak gusts of winds we had over the weekend. 96 miles an hour with huge waves, and we had some rain, and we still have the risk of some river levels rising. So that is a... There I was thinking that he was hoping for snow. Now, weather-wise, you'll be pleased to hear Storm Dara that caused widespread disruption this weekend is now cleared away. We still had, over the weekend, peak gusts of 96 miles an hour. That's why we had our red weather warning from the Met Office, the highest level we had. And then 3 million people received that emergency text alert. It's the first time we've had it for a weather warning and the most widespread usage that's had. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Thankfully, Storm Dara is now cleared away, and the outlook for the rest of the week, currently no weather warnings in force, no stormy conditions. We potentially could see warnings later this week for fog with clear skies and light winds that forming overnight. For today, definitely more settled, still fairly breezy in the southeast where we have some showers. The best of any brightness is in the north. So this is how it looks right now. Clearer skies in the north, showers across the south and east where we still have a breeze. That'll make it feel a little chilly as we head through the day. So cloudiest across the southeast, sunny spells for Wales and the Midlands, sunshine for Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England, but chilly despite the sunshine. 3 to 6 in the north, 8s and 9s in the south, but feeling cooler than that when you add in the strength of the wind. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Storm Dara has cleared away after the disruptive stormy conditions over the weekend with gusts of 96 miles an hour. Yes, still gusty today as that starts to clear, but it's drier, it's brighter for all of us. So this is how it looks first thing. The radar shows showers across the far southeast of England and parts of eastern England, and that's where they'll stay confined through the day. So breezy down this east coast and for the far southeast of England with showers continuing. For central and western areas, it's sunny spells and largely dry. Scotland and Northern Ireland, a chilly start to the day, but plenty of sunshine here and lighter winds, so a significant improvement in our weather. This evening and overnight tonight, we have clearer skies for many of us, and that means particularly in the north, we have freezing conditions. Central areas could see some mist and fog forming. So at the moment, no weather warnings in force, but we could see some fog later this week.